Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to shorten a page on Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to wix.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, click on the select and edit site button on all sites page and you'll be navigated to your dashboard where you'll have to click on design site and navigate to your Wix website editor. Here, you will see all the sections and pages available. Now this is a single page on my Wix website. In order to decrease the size of this page, I will have to click on the select section, make sure the zoom in is set at 50% so I'm able to view the full page, and I will click here in this section and place my cursor or hover it just at the border of this section. Now I will see an adjust section height button. So I will just left click it and drag this button to shorten the length of this page on my website. As you can see, I just increased this page length. Now in order to decrease the length of this page, I will have to left click it and drag it at the top and this page length is decreased. Now, some of the elements that will be available on this page will create some problems while shortening this page. You'll have to just make sure that the element size is not giving any problem and click on this small icon, then drag it up from the bottom to decrease the length of this page. So in order to shorten any page, navigate to that page and take this small icon, then increase or decrease the size of this page by doing this. So that's how you can shorten a page on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.